Hi, this is Mrs. Kreider, and this video is going to show you how to find and use Word for assignments at Ohio Virtual Academy. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't know where Word is, you want to go down to your search bar and click Apps, and then type in here Word. Okay, you see this W on the blue background? That is Microsoft Word. So you go ahead and click on it, and you will get this screen, which is the next screen you'll get to. You want to start with a blank document. So right here you can click on blank document, or you can click on new, and it will also give you a blank document. Okay, you just click on that, and then you have your window for Word. Just to start, you want to look at Word up here. There's all these menus up here. You have Home, you have Insert, you have Draw. Look, it'll give you pens. You have Design, different things to design. Your Layout, or where you're going to find your margins. Okay, but usually you just want to stay with Home. Now, you'll see here, this is your window that you can start typing. Okay? If you don't like the typeface, you can select it with your mouse. You can go up here and pick all the different typefaces that are loaded into your computer. Okay, most of the time when you are doing an assignment for English Language Arts, you're going to want to pick either Times Roman or Calibri, you know, anything that is readable. Okay, I like Times New Roman. If you want it to be bigger, you click here and it'll give all these. The higher the number, the bigger the text. Usually you want to start with 12-point type. Okay, so this is, you can just start typing. Typing. This is showing you how to check spelling. Okay, look at this. When you spell something wrong, it'll underline it in red. Okay, so if you just hover your mouse over the red and right click it, it will give you suggestions. Now I knew I wanted to make that check, and spelling, there you go, it's corrected it for you. Sometimes if you have words it doesn't know what it is, you'll have to retype it, look it up. So then you can just keep typing. It'll double space it for you. Keep type. Okay, when you come to the end of the word. Now you need to know how to save it. Go up here to File, Save, okay, and you'll need to browse. Alright, now hopefully you have a Language Arts folder, and you can put it down in your Language Arts folder, and I would name it with your last name and whatever file it is. Say writing paragraph. Okay, and when you save it, it'll show up here that you've saved it, and every time that you make any corrections, it'll auto-save, but it'll also, when you get ready to turn it off, you want to save. Alright, you have to make sure you know where you saved it so you can find it when you're done. So that's just a quick lesson on how to find and use Word to type documents for any assignments. I hope this helped. Have a great day.